Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you have both Facebook and Instagram accounts, you can always disconnect your profiles so that it doesn't sync up your names, your profile pictures, all of that stuff. I'll show you how to do it. So let's hop into Facebook here and tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Now let's tap on the gear icon at the top right and you'll see at the very top Account Center. Let's tap see more in Account Center and then you can see profiles at the very top. Let's tap on that and then you can see Frank Gablinas here. Facebook and Instagram, they're both sync up, but we're about to disconnect them. You can tap on it and it shows you at the very bottom again Frank Gablinas, Facebook and Instagram. I'm just going to tap on Frank for Facebook here. And now if I wanted to disconnect the two accounts, all I have to do is toggle this off and hit stop syncing. By doing so, let's go back and go back again. Now if I tap on profiles, it shows them as a separate profiles. So they're not one profile that manages both different things. But there's a separate profile for Facebook and Instagram. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.